In this video we will show you how to get access to a failed external hard drive. The most important is to find out why external hard drive stopped working. There are three main reasons: logical problem, enclosure issue, or hard drive failure. In this video we'll show you how to recover data in case of a disk failure like bad sectors on a drive. In practice you can understand that you deal with a hard drive failure if you hear clicking sounds or Windows freezes from work time when accessing the drive. The solution is to connect the drive directly to a SATA port on the motherboard. We have a Transcend external hard drive and now we're going to disassemble it. First we need to remove the rubber shell from the disk. Just pull it off. Remove the screws. Open the case and pull the disk out. This is a USB to SATA converter. Remove it. Now we need to connect the disk to a PC. Place your PC where it will be located throughout the recovery. It's time to open the computer. Check that your computer is off. Now open the computer. To do this we need to remove two screws. Remove the cover. Look for motherboard. Here it is. Find a free port on it. Now we take a SATA cable and connect the drive to the motherboard. Place your drive and power on the computer. Open my computer and see if there is the disk here. This is our disk. Let's open it and check data. If data looks okay, just copy the files to another storage device. If there is no disk in my computer, you need to check disk management. If you see the disk here, you need to create a disk image file with data recovery software like Reclaim because mechanically damaged drives may get worse because of wear and tear of repeated retries. Open browser, type in www.reclaime.com. Download the latest build of Reclaim file recovery, click Run, install it. Run the tool, select the drive, click Disks, then create disk image. Once you created a disk image file of your external hard drive, proceed with the recovery using this disk image file. Run Reclaim once again. Then click the arrow next to the Disks button, select Open Disk Image and load your image file. This is our disk image file. Select it and wait till the software completes analyzing partitions on this disk image. Look for a disk image file under the Disk Images section, select it and click Start. Wait until files and folders will be shown. Check the folder tree and preview the files. Looks okay. Now you can save data to a safe location. If you cannot recover data at all, or there are no needed files among the recovered, or the operating system just doesn't see your drive, most likely a drive is not do-it-yourself recoverable. In this case, you need to send your drive in a data recovery lab for investigation. Reclaim Me team was with you. See you soon.